In today's video, I'm going to share my homeschool update to probably make you guys feel better if you are one who feels like you're not doing enough, and also our plans for the rest of the homeschool year. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I make videos to help you on your homeschooling, motherhood, and mental health journey. If you're not new to my channel, you've probably seen I've been posting a lot about mental health. So obviously, I've been struggling. And when you're struggling with things, it spills over into every area of your life. When you're a homeschooler, it makes things especially tricky to manage and to get the things done that you need to get done. In today's video, I just want to update you on our progress and how things are going to be changing for us, as well as just sharing with you a little bit of our day in the life in our homeschool. If you enjoy this video today, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified when I make other videos. All right, well, let's get into this. It has been a tough few months for me. Some people have life very easy and others have a life full of trials. I don't want to complain because I know I am truly blessed. I have 3 healthy children and a husband who adores me. I have a beautiful home and I have the ability to continue to homeschool regardless of our financial situations. But just because you are being blessed doesn't mean that you don't struggle. In this struggle, I have been doing the bare minimum to homeschool. We have been using a lot of Night Bookkeeper, which is a language arts program, which I will post in the link in the description below, as well as a video review so you can check it out later. This video is in partnership with Dr. Vitamin Solutions, who has a ton of really awesome supplements that you're not going to find anywhere else. And one of the supplements that I use very often, especially during this period of time when I'm struggling, is their Ultra Bliss. So it is a mix of some amino acids as well as their phenyl GABA ingredient, which makes for a powerful antidepressant, anti-anxiety supplement. This ingredient is used in Russia to help with PTSD, depression, anxiety, bipolar disorder, all those mental health types issues. So if you want to research more about that, go right ahead. So it is in a powder form and I get to just mix it in my juice, which I didn't have this morning, so I mixed it inside my yogurt, and you feel the effects of it in like 20 minutes. Dr. Vitamin Solutions also has a bunch of other awesome, amazing products, such as their liver support, which has solar plast, spinach leaf extract, milk thistle, and 6 other plants and enzymes. The lung support, which supports your respiratory health. Blue light support. Clinically studied ingredient supports healthy eyes, especially if you're one who works in front of the computer or is editing videos in front of the computer, or you're just in front of the TV a lot. This is good for your eyes, as well as their ultra eye and vision support. So I will post a link to them in the description below. But the upkeeping of the house, as well as staying on track with our homeschool routines, bedtime routines, and everything routines, has been non-existent. Then on the days where we have had school, I've become like a drill sergeant, just wanting to get things done to catch up. And those days left me feeling unfulfilled and stressed, and have made the kids feel the same way. And talking to a friend and hearing about her relaxed days with her older kids, it made me realize that I want that too. I want to enjoy these days because sometimes homeschooling my babies is the only thing that keeps me going. And other days, I wonder why I'm even doing it. But I want to enjoy my kids too. Now the kids will start their mornings with some morning work, which takes up to an hour and gives me a chance to eat breakfast if I didn't get to with them, or walk the dogs, or clean the kitchen, or prep their schoolwork. This has things like reading, typing, handwriting, all the little activities that take 5 to 10 minutes each. For our new weekly rhythm, I have every day scheduled a little bit differently. The plan is for the children to wake up early in the morning, well, early in the morning for us, which is 7, and get their morning work started by 8. So first they will do their breakfast and morning chores, and then an hour of morning work. After the morning work, we're going to be reading our read out loud, which right now is Narnia, and they will be able to get a snack. After that, they will begin their first block, which will take 2 hours. For my son, this will consist of an hour of math and then an hour of science. But for my 7-year-old, which I have been doing probably a little too much with her,
because she is doing 3rd grade work and her lessons are a lot longer, I decided to break down her lessons into 20-minute increments. That way we are able to get a lot more done. She doesn't feel pressured to complete too much work for her age, but she is able to work at the level that she's mentally capable of working at. And we are still able to squeeze in a ton of fun. So she will have 20 minutes of language arts, 20 minutes of math, 20 minutes of reading, 30 to 40 minutes of a game with me, 20 minutes of Bible, and any leftover time is her free play. Every day after block 1, we will have a break. On Mondays, that will be jumping out on the trampoline, board games, kids playing piano, and having a snack. On Tuesdays, we are at our homeschool co-op. On Wednesdays, they can play piano, have a snack, and we can do a little bit of a nature study out in the backyard. Once or twice a month, we have outside days with our homeschool co-op, and on the other days, we will be completing block 1 and lunch at the beach or at the playground. And then we will come home to do our block 2 and our morning work. On Fridays, it will include a scooter and bike ride for our break. After the first break is over, we will jump into block 2, and lunch is included at that time, but the kids will eat while they work. During block 2, my son will do his hour and a half of language arts and activities, which includes a bunch of different subjects in there. If you are familiar with the good and the beautiful, you know what I'm talking about. And if you're not, check out the cards below for his language arts program. He will also be completing history. And during this block 2, my daughter and I will be doing 30 minutes of working on projects. This could be any projects we have for our co-ops, any personal projects that we have. It could be decorating the house for the holidays or whatever. We'll also have 30 minutes of working on her American Heritage Girl badges, which is a lot of fun. 30 minutes making crafts. We have a nice craft book from the Good and the Beautiful as well. And 30 minutes of outside nature study. After block 2 and lunch are complete, our whole day should be done about 2:30. My goal is to take the kids to the neighborhood playground and spend time playing with them and enjoying that outside time with them while my son still enjoys playing.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.